This short video is an instructional guide for how to add and update products in your product catalog in your e-commerce store. Before we start adding products, it is important to make sure that you have got categories and subcategories for your product set up. This will make it easier for customers to find your product on your site. There is an instructional video in this same section of the knowledge base which gives you a guide to setting up categories if you haven't already done so. Once your categories are set up and in place, we can go ahead and set up the products. In order to do so, we go into Catalog and then into Categories and Products. Now here you can see the test categories that we have set up already. So what we'll do is we're going to create a new ad in the test category that's been set up here. So we'll click next to the little folder icon and that will take us into the test category. You'll see here now that there's the new product button. This will allow us to insert a new product directly into this category. Now you'll be presented with a number of fields here when you go in to insert a new product. Product status, in stock or out of stock. If it's listed as in stock, the ad will show up on the site. If it's listed as out of stock, the product will not be viewable on your website. Date available allows you to future date an ad. If you're waiting on some stock to come in, the ad will show up on the website as of the date that is listed in this field. If you want it to show up immediately, just don't change anything there at all. Under Products Manufacturer, if you have set up manufacturers already here in the back-end system, you'll be able to locate them in this field. Product Quantity, fairly straightforward, just key in how many of the product that you've got available. Products Model is for your record keeping, so you can put your model number in there to allow you to track the type of products. And product weight is especially important if you have shipping modules that use weight-based shipping calculations. This is where it will draw that information from, so it is vitally important to make sure you have the correct product weight. The next section down deals with price. If you have a tax class set up, such as taxable goods, you can select that here. If not, you just leave it as none. Your product price net is just your net cost, and the product price gross will automatically populate if you've chosen a tax class and there is a tax rate set up. Product name, again, straightforward. It's just a matter of entering in your product name. Product URL is if you have a website or a web address which links directly to this product, you can place that URL in here. Under Product Description is just a short description of your product. You can use any of the style menus there to manipulate your text as you're editing that product. Meta tag information I'm not going to cover off in this video. We do have a separate section which has step-by-step walkthroughs and videos for meta tag information. It is advisable to check that out if you want to play with meta tags. What this section is it's basically relates to how your page will be located in search engines. So certainly some useful information if you go forward and check out the other articles here on the knowledge base regarding that. Under product images, we have 3 different size images that this section is looking for, but it is 3 different size versions of the same image. The small image is the thumbnail image that people will see in your product listing, category listing. The products image is the main one used when people view your product. The pop-up image is the one that when people click on that product image, it will pop up a larger version of it. So it is looking for 3 versions of the same image. You'll note here that I've got 3 that I've set up myself. So I'll put the small one in the small field, put the medium one in the products image, and the large one in the pop-up image. Additional images can be added if you wish to show another view or another photo of the item that you're selling. Small image again relates to the small image, and XL image relates to the pop-up image size. Now again, the product image sizes can be located here in the product module catalog right at the top of the page there. We've got a listing of what all those sizes relate to. Inventory control options, again, I won't touch on during this video, but I have actually got some individual instructions pertaining to that. This will give you a bit more flexibility about controlling sizes, colours, whatever, variations of the same type of product. So we'll go ahead and key in a test product. So you'll notice here we put in our quantity, our model, and we'll put in a weight of 0.5 kilo. It's not a taxable good, and I'm going to put in $100 for a price. Now, it's a test product. We'll put a little description in under the product description. Again, as you can see here, you can manipulate that using these controls. So I've already inserted my images in there, we don't need to do that. I've got no additional images to insert, so that's all the information that I've got at this stage to update on this product. So to complete, we click Insert at the bottom. Now once that goes through there, you can see that this product is now under this category. If we pop back out into categories and products, and then back into our test category, you can see the new product there. On the website, if we go into our test category here, and there's the new product that we've just uploaded. And there you go, that's the medium size image, and there's the larger pop-up image. And that's how you walk through setting up a new product.